Hello everyone, this is Nitesh from Cube Lelo, and today we are answering the questions that you guys have asked in the Instagram story, I think last week. Here are the answers to your questions. Let's begin with the questions. Which is one cube that you cannot go wrong with the beginners, or in one basically? I'm assuming that you're asking this question for 3x3 cube. And for 3x3, if you're looking for a cube that is specifically made for beginners, I would say you should go for Drift 3M Plus, because this is the advanced and loop version of RSM 2020 version. So that's the best tube in my opinion. Will the GAN 11 Pro and 12 Magler UV will come back in stock? So if you're looking to buy GAN 11 Pro, I think you should go for GAN 11 Duo, because I understand it has fewer customizable option, but it's a still better option and much cheaper option to go for. So I would say you should go for GAN 11 Duo, that is still available in Cube Lelo. But answering your question, I don't think we'll be restocking the two cubes which you asked for, because the company itself will be discontinuing it most probably. Why mode cubes are not available in Cube Lelo? So first of all, I don't know what mode cube is, so I have to go here and check what mode cube is. Guys, this is not a puzzle, so that's why we don't have it. Why Cube Lelo sell cube here in expensive prices as compared to other brands? Because of the duty structure in India as compared to other countries, it's quite heavy. So that is the main reason why the cubes get costlier when it reaches India. But even after paying heavy taxes, we try to match it with other store so that it's affordable for you guys, even if it's cutting our profit margin. Why some products are always out of stock in your store? We're trying to get most of the products in stock, and I think in a month or two, all the items which are there listed in the website should be there in stock. How to work as an intern here at Cube Lelo? If you want to work with us, you can just send us your resume at career@cubelelo.com, and if we find your resume interesting and if there is any requirement from our end, we'll definitely get back to you. Why Cube Lelo do not make videos in Hindi? So I think our audience base is mix of English and Hindi, so that's why we try to create both kind of videos. But yes, it could be sometimes more of English and more of Hindi. So, but anyway, we have a list of Hindi videos that we already have made previously. And if you want more videos on Hindi, you can give a suggestion in the comment box, and we'll try to make more Hindi videos for you. How to get sponsorship without becoming a famous YouTuber? Guys, for the sponsorship, we actually have two criteria only. First, that you are a really good cuber, and second, that you are a really good content creator. To be a really good cuber, we generally see that if you are ranking in top 10, 15 in top 4 to 5 puzzle category, and to be a good content creator, we generally see what kind of videos or what kind of reels that you are making in your channel, and how many views you're getting on those videos. Where to learn advanced methods? So I believe if someone is asking where to learn advanced methods, they're already knowing about F2L, OLL and PLL. So if you want to learn beyond F2L, OLL and PLL, we have launched a course specifically for this. The course is called X-Skills. It's basically a recorded course. X-Skills has courses on 3x3, 2x2, 4x4, 5x5 and 3x3 100. So, and these courses are being recorded by Kunal Lok and Bhargav Narasimhan. You can just go and check out their WCA profile. Kunal Lok is multiple time national record holder, and same goes with Bhargav Narasimhan. These two have been the veteran in the cubing scenario in India from last around 7 to 10, 12 years. And yeah, do check out the X-Skills courses that we have. The courses has all the topics from including from beginners, intermediate, advanced, and even elite for the 3x3 course. So that will really help you guys out, and if you are looking for advanced courses on internet. Next question is, I am able to solve cube but I follow normal method. How do I improve my time? So I believe if someone is solving by normal method, that's just layer by layer method that you learn when you learn how to solve the cube. So to improve the timing, first of all, normal method of solving 3 by 3 also, you can reduce your timing up to around 40-50 seconds, but cutting your time beyond 40-50 seconds will be little bit difficult. So you have to learn CFOP method. CFOP stands for cross, F2L, colon and parallel. So I think learning CFOP method, most importantly F2L will definitely help. But I must warn you, initially your timings will be like a little bit more than what you used to get in the normal method, but eventually with the practice it will reduce, and definitely you will be able to solve much less time than the normal method. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Do like it if you like the video, share it and subscribe the channel. Happy cubing!